So with the introduction first, this Lombiq UI Kit is a package that provides reusable shapes that you can use in your teams. And on top of that, we created Lombiq UI Kit widgets, which will allow you to use these shapes as a widget in Rocket Core. So right now we only have this carousel widget, and to use it you need to install this package from the UI Kit and then this one as well. So I have this demo website which is this is clean website, so I will now enable those two. So I will search for widgets and let's here it is. So I will enable it, and now a new widget is available. We are using this slick carousel, which is provides all kinds of slides and stuff like that. So let me now run a recipe that will add a page with this widget. So it is. And when I open it, we will have this one. So one important thing is that in this version we haven't added any styles to it. So if a theme that you are using doesn't have styling for these slides, then it will be like this. But we are planning to add some basic styles, so the widget have some minimal style. It doesn't look like it's broken. So we will add that in next version, but for now it's like that. And if I open this page, you will see that we have a flow part, and then inside of that there is a carousel widget. Now I will quickly go here, and let's just add here the carousel. Here it is, and you can add as many sides as you want. So you can set title. I will type services, and let's use these images. So services, and one more. I don't know, features. Sorry. Okay, so I will publish, and now we will have two of these. And as you can see, this doesn't look good at all. But if the point is that you can create this kind of carousels wherever you like on your site, in sidebar, in footer, or anywhere basically. And there is also one more thing to show, and it's a configuration. Right now we added only the global configuration, so it will be applied to all carousels on website, on all carousel widgets on website. That's important to mention. So you can go here in content types, carousel widget, content type, and then here, and you can paste JSON that is available on this site. So anything that is mentioned here, you can use it. So I will now, for example, type that's true and size to so to true, and then say save it. You can see that we have now applied these settings here. And we are planning to add configuration per widget, so you can add some settings per widget, and also to combine global and per widget configuration. So that would be it for this demo. If you have any questions, let me know.
Thank you. It's funny because carousel is, I think, one of the first parts or widgets we built in Orchard One to show the content types and
Yeah,
that you can, you add stuff and then you can slide them. That's
yeah.
funny.
And also I would like to mention that you can you can override what's displayed. So you here is this slide, so you can override that and basically it works that we're creating in here we are creating a shape slide shape and then that is the best to see carousel shape from Lombiq UI Kit. So we are passing shapes and settings here.
Cool.
And
And I see carousel settings. This is a JSON document
uh, yes,
and it's a string.
settings are let me see over here.
Looks like
Yeah, settings are JSON's JSON and I will also show here what is happening in the carousel shape. So here it is. So this was created before. I didn't work on this, but here somewhere you can see that settings are basically merged together. Let me just see where it is. Okay, here we can see some carousel settings that are in the shape and then here we are merging this together and then passing to carousel. So any questions now since I
what
provided some more?
do you have a list of widgets that would be added to the UI kit?
Yeah, well, for now we have only that one, but I will, I will see if we add some more here. So
Okay, carousel then.
okay,
Thank you.
thanks for listening.